What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Today is a super exciting day. We're gonna be bidding on 4 cars that I really like. In a minute, I'll show you guys exactly what cars we're bidding and what's going on with them. And first of all, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoyed this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump in and see what we got. Start with the first car. We got a 2018 BMW M4. Looks pretty clean, missing just a bunch of parts, missing the headlights, the hood. I don't know why the hood is gone and the headlights. And then it has a quarter panel damage, so somebody cut this quarter panel, and then missing some tail lights as well. Airbags did not deploy, but for some reason either the battery is completely dead, it doesn't show anything, so they put TMU and structural damage. So hopefully we'll get lucky and get this for a good price. And then we got another car. We got 2018 Mercedes, and the wheels are missing on this car. Somebody looks like stole the wheels. The car starts. And then we got 2020 BMW 530, front end left side damage. It looks like the fender, both doors, and a quarter, and missing headlights and bumpers, front and rear. 6,000 miles, and yeah, we should be able hopefully buy this as well. Hopefully the price is not gonna be crazy. And then I got this one as well, 2017 540. There's no damages on it, but for some reason they put structural damage. I don't know what that means, what structural, but we'll see. Maybe we could get a good deal on this one as well. So once again, we're not gonna go too crazy. We're gonna bid very humble. I got my notes right here and I already put the prices, what I want to pay for them. So hopefully we'll be right in those numbers, and if we get lucky, we'll buy them. And here's what I got for the BMW M4. I want to pay 20 to 25 grand. For the Mercedes C-Class, I want to pay 10 to 15 grand. BMW 530, I want to pay 20 to 25 grand, and then the 540, I want to pay 20 to 25 grand. So those are my numbers, and I'm gonna stick to those numbers. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll buy something. So it's one of those. Pretty much I bid a few times a week on whatever I like, and if we get lucky, we buy it. If we don't, we move on. I don't get attached to the cars, so I don't go crazy, you know. That's the worst thing you could do when you get attached to the car and you say, this is my car. This is when you make mistakes, you know. This is where you're gonna overpay for the car, and then there's not gonna be profit to be made, you know. So always bid very humble, and sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. That's the part of the game, you know. The auction starts in half an hour, so I'll play the live auction and see how it goes. Cars next.
25, 26,000. TMU Structures Industry 16 good CB.
Oh man, somebody already bid 25,000. I guess we'll bid 26. That's gonna be my last bid. And then after that, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense. I just don't like the front end is stripped, missing headlights and hood. Headlights are 2,000 bucks each, so that's 4,000 just for the headlights, plus the hood another 1,000, unknown miles. So yeah, it just doesn't make sense too much on this one. I'm gonna let this one go. We'll see if we could get something else. Let's see if we get lucky with this BMW. Same thing, good car, I just don't like the structural damage. That's gonna kill the sale for sure. But we'll bid humble and we'll see, maybe we'll get lucky. And we'll win. Come on, keep going down, drop it down.
15,000. You tell me, gentlemen. 15,000.
Much better. 15 grand. Let's go. And I usually like to wait till the last, and then I'll bid. Let everybody else bid, and then I'll usually try to bid towards the end.
19,000 to the bit of time to get a bit of time to appear to get a bit 20 grand. 20 grand to the bit of time get a bit time to get a bit 750 to appear to get a bit 750 21 grand 21 2 21 5 750 now 22,000 times 750 time get a bit 23 grand to the bit 5 23 times get a bit of time to appear to get a bit time 750 time get a bit 750 get a bit 24,000
Got one more thousand to play with.
24 grand to the bit 5 24 pounds, get a bit of pound, get a bit to get a bit pound, get a bit 750, get a bit 25.
One more time, last time. That's it. I guess it wasn't meant to be. 25,500.
25,000
to the bit of pound, get a bit offer 25 to the next one. For some reason they skipped C-Class, so hopefully we'll get this BMW.
Get a bit 20 BMW 530, get a bit has it, get a bit located at Riverside. And get a pound, get a bit 20 grand, 21. 21,000 to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 21 to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 21 grand. 21,000 to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 21 grand. 21,000 to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 15 grand. 15, 16 did it at. 15 get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 16, get a bit 17, get a bit 18, 19, get a bit 20, get a bit 21, get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 22 to get a bit 23. 22 to get a bit 3 to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 23,000 to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 23,000.
Come on.
Bill Moore's your turn. 23 grand to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 23 to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit 22 to get a bit of time, get a bit to get a bit over 22 grand, bid number 218 internet.
Woohoo! Finally, we got one car, so I was able to buy the 2020 BMW 530 with 6,000 miles. 22,000 I won, so it's on an offer. So hopefully they'll sell it to me. So I'll find out in a little bit, but that should be a good one. It's clean title, low miles, so I think we should be okay in there. So I'll let you guys know in a little bit if they approve or not. Woohoo! They just released the car to me, so it looks like we got ourselves a new build. So I already got my folder all set up, so let's go and pick up the car. Looks like we're here. Looks like it's all BMWs. Big parking lot with BMWs. All right, let's go find our car. We just got here and man, a lot of BMWs. So I gotta go find my BMW. Should be stashed away somewhere down here. Yeah, check it out. All brand new BMWs. Just chilling. And mine should be somewhere around here. Look at this one. That's a good looking M8. Wow, I like it. So yeah, a lot of cars. So let's try to find ours. Another M5. Wow, that's a good looking car. Think I see our BMW. Yep, right over there. Wow, looks good. Check it out. Look at this beauty. Wow, that's a beautiful BMW. Okay, doors got a little smash, but not a big deal. Okay. I like it. So far, so good. Brand new tires, nice. One headlight is good. Wow, I love this thing. And there's another one in there. Wow, and this thing is brand new. Wow, look at this headlight. $2,000 headlights each. Man, this is amazing. We even got a sticker price. $56,000 somebody paid. 2020, and it has only 6,000 miles. Wow, I'm so happy, guys. You didn't understand. On the pictures there's no headlights, but there's headlights. And there's a tail light in the back too. Man, look at this. Tail light got a little, tail light is broken. It's okay, we'll get one tail light. They're fairly cheap. I'm extremely happy. Wow, this thing is amazing. This thing is like brand new inside. Oh boy. I'm in love with this BMW. 6,841,000 miles. Brand new car. Wow, I got extremely lucky on this bad boy. Let's see, just one key. That sucks, but not bad at all. And I'm thinking to do something crazy like a M5 conversion of this thing. What do you guys say? I think we should do it. It's gonna be one of a kind. Clean title. I love it. That's it, the car is secured and ready to go. Check this bad boy out, man. I still can't get enough of it. Brand new car. This thing gonna look really nice once I'm done with it. Like nothing ever happened. Brand new tires, brand new wheels. Well, brand new car, only 6,000 miles. All right, let's head back to the shop and start ordering parts and get this thing back on the road as soon as possible. Alright, we're gonna give the BMW a quick wash so she looks nice and clean, so we could start working on it, on a nice clean car. Let's see how shiny it's gonna get after this wash. It's filthy dirty, looks like it hasn't been washed in a long time. A layer of dust, so we'll clean her up and we'll see how she looks. Just washed the car and man, it looks like a brand new BMW. Perfect condition, no door dings, no nothing, just brand new car, 6,000 miles, what do you expect? And let's go look at the damage. Already got a new fender coming, new bumper. We're gonna be replacing wheels. We're gonna put different wheels on this car. And here's the damage. So I'm gonna repair the doors, very minor, just right here. And the quarter panel, same thing, and this is very soft. I could probably pull it. See, it moves with my hand, so this will pop out real quick. And same over here, so very minor. Got a new tail light coming and a new rear bumper. This thing will be on the road in no time. So for now, we'll end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what you do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in part 2. До свидания!